In this question, we are given that two cars are moving towards each other at velocities Va and Vb, and the separation between them is d. This is the separation between them. Now, at this particular instant, when the separation between them is d, at this instant, both the cars apply brake and deaccelerate at AA and AB respectively. We have to find the minimum value of d such that there is no collision between a and b. Now if you remember, I have already given this kind of question in your assignment, and we did this question with the help of equations of motion, in which we calculated the distance traveled by both the cars separately, and then we saw if the car will collide or not, if the total distance is less than the separation between them. We can also attempt this same question with the help of concept of relative velocity. So if we solve this with relative velocity, then I'll make the diagram first. There are two cars A and B, and they are initially at the separation D from each other. They are moving towards each other. This is moving with velocity Va and this is moving with velocity Vb. Now when they are at distance D, they both applied brake and they deaccelerated deaccelerated with rates AA and AB. So that means AA, now it is a deacceleration, so it should be opposite to this velocity. So AA is in this side and AB is opposite to VB. So this will be the situation. Now we have to find a minimum value of D, how close they can get so that there is no collision. So that means if there is no collision, then VA and VB both should become 0 at some point in between. They should not cross each other. The point at which both of them are becoming 0 should not cross each other. VA should become 0 at somewhere here, and VB should become 0 somewhere here, so that there is no collision. If VB crosses this point before becoming equal to 0, then there will be a collision. So we can write, for collision, to avoid collision, VA and VB should become 0 before meeting at some minimum distance. So we can write, using the concept of relative motion, velocity of A with respect to B. So VAB, it will be VAB, and since both of them are moving in the opposite direction, so the formula will be VA plus VB. And similarly we can write for acceleration of A with respect to B, and since both the accelerations are also in opposite direction, so it will be AA plus AB. But since the accelerations are opposite to the velocity, then the total acceleration we can take as negative. I can write here that we are using negative sign because both accelerations are opposite to velocities. So if we take the direction of velocity is positive, then the direction of each of the acceleration will be negative. AA will be in the direction opposite to VA, so minus, and similarly AB is in the direction opposite to VB, so minus. So the total acceleration, the relative acceleration, will be AA plus AB, but its direction will be taken as negative because they are opposite to the relative velocity. Now we can apply third equation of motion, V square equals to U square plus 2AX. Minimum velocity should be final velocity should become 0, so that means V should become 0, and initial velocity is VA plus VB, so we can write VA plus VB whole square plus 2, and A will be minus of AA, so we can write minus here, and AA plus AB, and the D should be, let us say D is the minimum value of separation between them. So we have to find the value of D. So value of D from this equation will be VA plus VB whole square upon 2 AA plus AB. So this will be the solution to this question. This will be the minimum value. Now if D is more than this particular value, If d becomes more than this particular value, then collision will occur. So if in the question, if in some question some values are given, like I gave you the question, you can use those same values and apply here, and you will see that you will get the same solution, but here we are getting it in a much quicker way and much easier to understand way.